Hello again, my legal scholars, Legal Fox, and the Mermaid Lawyer. And we're back for our final installment of Mermaids and the Law.
Due to the beauty, mystery, and uniqueness of being a mermaid, mermaid content in general has made quite the splash. Mermaids have often had their content go viral and receive a tidal wave of followers in return. My mer sister, Mermaid L, has over 2 million followers on TikTok.
This is enticing for influencers and brands who are fishing for unique content that will generate a lot of views and engagement. So enticing, in fact, that people will edit different heads onto a mermaid's body. Talk about catfished.
This is a violation of publicity rights as well as copyright infringement.
Not only against the mermaid, but also against the photographer. An example of mermaid theft in the mermaid community occurred when mermaid Syrena was asked to be interviewed for what she was told would be a nationally broadcast ad campaign for a tourism board. Mermaid Syrena is Singapore's first professional mermaid, and she's been featured on CNN, Women's World, and HGTV.
The group who contacted her, M7, was a part of a larger educational organization called the Creator Collective. She later found out that the project was for a student competition instead of a real ad campaign. Due to the initial misrepresentation, Syrena politely declined involvement.
But M7 took the plunge anyhow and snagged footage off her YouTube channel featuring Syrena in undoubtedly one of her most expensive tails. Even more shocking, they recruited another woman to impersonate Syrena.
By writing on Syrena's Mermaid Tails, M7 won the competition and an award of $7,000.
Syrena's copyright in her mermaiding videos and her right to publicity were both violated. A right to publicity is the right a person has to control the use of their name, image, and likeness, which M7 used without Syrena's authorization, and for exploitative or commercial purposes.
I'd definitely be salty if I was her. After Syrena's stolen treasure was exposed, M7 had to forfeit their award and the Creator Collective was pummeled with backsplash.
Thankfully, as for this video, Mermaid Syrena graciously granted us her permission. Learn more about Syrena at her website and Instagram.
Blankie Tails, a brand of mermaid tail-shaped blankets, are a perfect example of a company who capitalized on the universal love of mermaids and made millions from it.
Unfortunately, as with many successful companies, Blankie Tails found themselves trying to keep the pirates at bay. One of the main competitors is Snuggie Tails. Yep, the world-renowned Snuggies you may have seen on infomercials. They seized the moment and began selling their own mermaid blankets.
Blankie Tails and Snuggie Tails sounds confusingly similar, don't you think, Legal Fox?
Blankie Tails thought so. After Snuggie Tails filed for trademark registration, Blankie Tails opposed and sued them in federal court for trademark infringement. But most likely due to the tidal wave of legal costs, the companies settled, and both are still selling their mermaid blankets under their original names.
Today, countless other brands are offering mermaid tail blankets for sale. It seems Blankie Tails has no fin to swim with when it comes to stopping copycats. To elaborate, blankets are considered useful objects and not eligible for copyright protection. Only if someone was infringing on a fabric design, such as an original decorative fishtail pattern, would Blankie Tails potentially have legal recourse under copyright law or a design patent.
And that wraps up this season of Legal Fox TV. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Legal Fox TV. Like, comment, and share on all social media platforms. Goodbye for now, my legal scholars.
Catch you on the flip side.